Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my video presentation. It's good to see you all. I'm currently studying at the University Campus of Sangga Buana. My name is Muhammad Demi Fauji with NPM 211-319-1060 Informatic, Faculty of Informatic Engineering. Here I will concentrate the review of international journal with the PCA method, or can be called the principal component analysis. And next, image processing, face recognition using principal component analysis method. Introduction, method PCA, description of the PCA method. And one, tracking and human facial recognition is one of the most developed fields today, where application can be applied in the file of security system such as entry permission room. And two, PCA is one of the algorithm used for appearance-based recognition. PCA is also a dimension reduction algorithm capable of producing facial component, namely eigenface. The selection of eigenvector is done to find out which eigenvector correspond to a higher information content. And three, the result obtained in this final task include a small number of PCA features, giving better result when compared to the use of PCA. That the minimum value lies in the 12-year data, the 12 years data in the 6-year person post the two, so that the data test is not as the 6-year person post, and the number of characters to 10 is the most minimal. And next, in this loop, present validation step by step. One, initialization process, acquire the initial set of face image scaled as training set. And two, recognition process, calculate the eigenface from the training set, keeping only the highest eigenvalues. And step 3, process ratio, calculate distribution in this n two-dimensional space for each known person by projecting his or her face image onto this face to space. And next, process, calculate a set of weights based on the input image, and then eigenface by projecting the input onto each of the eigenface. And two, determine if the image is a face at all known or unknown by checking to see if the image of surface can be close to free space. Step 3, if it is a face, then classify the weight pattern as either unknown person or as unknown. Step 4, update the eigenface or weight as either unknown or unknown. If the same unknown person face is seen several times, they calculate the characteristic weight. Okay, next, one, face recognition process. One of the simple test and most effective PCA approaches used in face recognition system is the so-called eigenface approach. Next, eigenface algorithm. Eigenface algorithm, let a face image Rx, Y be a two-dimensional M by N array of intensity values. In this thesis, I used a set of images by 200 as 149 pixel, and image may also be considered as a vector of dimension M, xn, so that a typical image of size 200x 49 become a vector of dimension or equivalent of point in a dimensional space. The next, eigenface algorithm. And this loop, M as an image M and x1 vector 5 to 1 conversion of M as an image into Mn x1 vector. Okay, step by step Mxn to vector Mn x1. Step 1, prepare the training phase, obtain phase image 1, 2, 3, 4. M training phase, the phase image must be constrained and of the same size. Okay. Step 2, prepare the data, set each phase image in the database, transform it into a vector and pass it into a training set as. Okay, look. In my example M 34, each image is transformed into a vector of size Mn x1 and placed into the set. For simplicity, the phase image are assumed to be of size n as n, resulting in a point in dimensional space. Okay, next. Step 3, compute the average phase vector. The average phase vector has to be calculated by using the following formula. Next, step by step. Step 4, subtract the average phase vector. The average phase vector is subtracted from the original space and the result stored in the variable. Step 5, calculate the covariance matrix. We obtain the covariance matrix C in the following manner. Covariance matrix C. Next, step 6, calculate the eigenvector and eigenvalues of the covariance matrix. Next, step 7, keep only key eigenvector corresponding to the k-Laguerre eigenvalues. Eigenphase with low eigenvalues can be omitted, as they explain only a small party of the characteristic feature of the phase. Okay, next, table testing. Abstraction citra, not expression. Is sample of people. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. This is people. Help me. 1 minute time, 2 minute time, 1. Yes, minute time 1. 2 minute time 1. Vivi. Yes, testing extraction citra not expression. This yes detected. Minute time 2 and 2. Yes, minute time 1. Gita 1. No, minute time 3. 2 and 2. Yes, minute time 2. Jeffrey 1. Yes, expression detection. Yes, minute time 2 and 2. No, minute time 2. And next, ratio average simulation phase detection. On people, Saturn is a gas giant and has right 82% is in this accuracy initialization process, recognition process accuracy non-expression. In these people, result of the calculation process without expression. From the result of the table obtained, the percentage of accuracy ratio 82%. And to 5 to 8 this one people. Okay, next, result and discussion. Test result on several samples. Test result in the form of program accuracy facial recognition using the eigenphase method against the test sample and the level recognition accuracy and timing of the testing process. Accuracy of the eigenphase method for facial recognition is a comparison of the number of samples that have been correctly recognition. All samples processed obtained 6 right and 2 wrong. Percentage success rate of the introduction program using eigenphrase are yes, let's look. 100% to phase T3 is 100% on to 82%. Result and discussion. In these tests, we implemented the phase recognition system using principal component analysis and eigenphrase approach. The system successfully recognition the human face and worked better in different conditions of phase oriented. In his research, principal component analysis approach to the face recognition problem was studied, and a face recognition system based on the eigenphrase approach was proposed. The algorithm has been tested for the image database ATA 0X series root and implemented using MATLAB. The algorithm developed in a generalized one which works well with any type of image. The test conducted on bitmap image, PNG image, and JPEG image of various subjects in different correctly posed, showed that this method gave very good classification of face, though it has limitation over the variance in size of image. The eigenphrase approach thus provides a practical solution that is well fitted to the problem of face recognition. It is face relatively simple and has been shown to work well in constrained environment. Desktop software system security in performing action using remote face detection will protect and be safe with the use of. Okay, don't forget like, don't forget comment, subscribe. Don't forget subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Do you have any question? Correct me if there is an error in the use of percentage and ratio. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.